Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I am going to prune and propagate this plant, the Schefflera. So, this is my beautiful Schefflera. I'm turning this plant around so you can see it more easily. You see that it's grown to one side. This plant grows in a way that from every node a new leaf comes, and then from that node a new leaf comes. So what you want to do is cut between the nodes, and don't cut too close to a node because the plant will die down a little bit and you will lose the node, and you want of course that your plant grows from the part where you cut it. Okay, so I'm just going to use my pruning scissors to cut it a bit above the node. So I'm just going to cut it here. Make sure that your scissors are clean, of course, and just cut it quite straight. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. So it's off. Here is the top of the plant, and here is the old plant. So with this cutting, of course you want to have it rooted. What you need to do is you need to remove leaves from the nodes. Yeah, it's quite difficult because it's quite hard. So of course you have to make sure that you still keep on some leaves, but you need to spread your chances of rooting by removing some leaves, and that's quite sad to do, but that's okay. I'm just going to remove one more, and then there are still 3 leaves on the plants. The nodes are in the water now, and it will make roots from these different nodes, and then you can place it in soil. It will take a few weeks. Make sure that you refresh the water every week so that the roots can continue to grow. You need to put this glass in sunlight, but not in direct sunlight, in indirect sunlight, because otherwise it will burn, and of course because it doesn't have roots yet, but it needs to make energy so that it can produce some roots. I'm going to put this plant in the place that it was before, and I'm going to show you the end results of this as well. You can see I have moved, and also this plant has grown for quite some time. You can see some new leaves that have grown at the top from one of the nodes. It has made 3 new leaves on top, but also you can see some growth here, which I can explain. So basically I removed some leaves after a pest infection, because I thought it was a good idea to remove the leaves instead of cleaning them. I have to admit I was a bit lazy. So what happened is that if you cut off the top of the plant, it will not have auxine in the top, so the growth of side branches is not stopped. So what it has done is from these spots where 1 leaf used to be, it has grown 3 new leaves. So you see that the growing of side branches is not stopped anymore. But normally the top of the plant does this, so all the energy goes to the top of the plant instead of to the side branches. Also, let's have a look at the cutting. I put the top of the plant into a glass of water, and it has made quite some roots. So it's ready to be potted into soil. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!